Hey friends, welcome back to a new Python tutorial. Today I'd like to show you how you can download Kaggle datasets in your Jupyter notebook and then of course do your machine learning projects. Now in order to do this, at first of course you need to create a Kaggle account. After you have set up your account, you can do this for free. You can go to your account page, to your details, and there you will find your username. And you'll also have the option to create an API token. When you do this, you can download this token, and this is a JSON file. Now this JSON file looks kind of similar to this one. So basically it has a username, which contains basically your username, which you created at Kaggle, and it also creates a key here for you. And this key, this is the one you need. Because if you got those two credentials, then you can go into the Jupyter Notebook, and just in case you have not installed it, you can simply run the command pip install open datasets. Now with this open datasets, you can import it, and you can use any kind of abbreviation you want. In this case, we just use OD. And then all you need to do is you simply type in UD or OD.download, and then you paste in the URL to a specific dataset. In this case, this is this heart attack analysis, and so on. And then you basically are able to download the file. You need to input your username, and you also need to put in your key. This is the one, remember, which we get from the JSON file. And after this, you simply download the file to the folder. And you've seen here, when I run my operating system command, just to check what kind of data we have inside, we'll see that we have an additional folder in here now. And if I would go to the folder, I would see here that I have this heart attack analysis, and I can double click here, and then I can see the two files. And that's it. So this is a quick way to download the datasets. Please remember, in order to do this, you need to be aware that you first, of course, need to create the Kaggle account, and then you should download the credential file. But then, simply import open datasets and you're good to go. So hopefully that helps you, and I just encourage you to try it out. As always, thanks a lot for watching, and if you'd like to see more, then don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.